Alrighty, welcome back to the MGG YouTube channel. I'm here, CEO of Elite Properties and an investor in Tesla. But here we're at Elite Properties today. We're replacing a main. This is a sewer main for one of our properties, and basically we got quoted like $8,000 to do this. And you know, this is kind of like just one of like the hack things that I like to do in our beginning of our like investing journey. But why spend $8,000 for a plumber to do this when we can rent an excavator, buy all the materials ourselves, and do it ourselves, right? So so we decided to do. We probably have, you know, gonna have like a total of $1,000 in this versus the 8,000. So sounds like a win to me. Yeah, and so like our calculations on this. So actually, it's been out of commission for like, well, it just went out of commission yesterday. But we had a sewage problem. When I say out of commission, I mean AKA not making revenue. So there was a guest in this property, and basically they were staying here with the sewage problem, and we had a plumber come out try to clean out the line. That didn't work out, which actually cost us $600 that we could have just bypassed that whole thing and just replaced the line, but we were just trying to avoid it for a little bit longer. Mainly because, you know, your money being tied up in things is, you gotta be careful about that because, yeah, I mean, money's better invested into other places than versus, you know, doing stuff like this that could cost $10,000 pretty easily. But this is like roughly like a 70-foot run of pipe. One thing that we're doing here actually is we're sleeving this pipe here with 6-inch. So your drain pipe should be 4-inch, but we're going ahead and sleeving it with a 6-inch to just help it with like crushing. And also we have like a lot of tree roots here. You see a ton of tree roots. And so we're just basically making sure that the tree roots don't grow into the pipe, or that it'll last at least a couple more extra years. So yeah. So yeah, that's basically what we're doing here. Here's our black water, you know, coming out with our duty, and then there's like a gray water coming from like our shower and stuff. So I tie these together in here, and yeah. Gonna go ahead and probably get back to work, but I just want to showcase this for you guys, and I'll probably make like another video, or maybe I'll have an editor add a second part to this video, or I'll just post it up as a second video. But and kind of just give you a little bit more rundown of maybe some of the numbers and everything like that. So this job right here is going to take us basically 2 days to do. I think we're going to be able to get done today. It's like today's the second day. Yesterday we dug everything out. Today we kind of started leveling things out, packing the dirt down, and now we're running pipe. So, and it's about like noon, 1 o'clock, something like that. So I think we have plenty of time to get this knocked out. But yeah, for a couple days of work, I'd say it's well worth it. But yeah, peace. Catch y'all in the next one.